Mustang Coupe.
States of America.
Amen, sister.
I know.
Amen, sister. United States of America.
Exactly, America. That's well, yeah. So now we're gonna go down to the Mercedes and Lexus section. We have to kind of go out of the main showroom, go down a hallway, and then we'll be there. We'll pass a little sports lounge too that they have set up.
Sports lounge?
Yeah, people can
Rob
watch.
sounds excited. Rob sounds excited.
Yeah, I know. They'll be, you know, you can get some food, drinks, watch some TV, and there's some, you know, seating areas. It's nice, like, places to unwind when you've gotten too excited from all the cars.
Too excited. I know about that.
And we have a radio station here today.
Yeah, WIP.
Well, we got to talk to them. We'll see if they'll talk to us. I'll be more mellow this time. Because, what was his name? What was his name, Rob? When I did the interview at SEMA? What's his name? Do you remember?
No.
Oh, darn it. Oh, I'm sorry if you're watching this video that I'm forgetting your name.
Well.
It's on the website MustangMedic.co. I lost the M.
So
I lost the M. MustangMedic.co. Huh?
This is the sports lounge, so if people need to take a load off, they
All right.
can hang out there. And now we're gonna go down.
When I've
towards
got myself
Mercedes
together.
and Lexus.
All right. You don't think I'm together, Amy?
I mean, together's a relative thing.
I just shot a whole video. Yeah, exactly. I'm getting therapy here too. We were driving down and having a good time, and I was like, I liked the horn, and it was a really great video that you guys didn't see because I'm trying to get used to filming it.
About a quarter mile straight from the factory.
Wow.
Now, this is, what is the car, Rob?
This is the
Lexus?
Yes.
And what's the name of it? Do we have a name? No sign up around it.
LFA.
LFA?
Yeah.
This is an LFA Lexus that, Rob, how fast again?
It does 11 and a quarter.
11 and a quarter? Stock.
Sir, I'm going to have to ask you.
No, he's back again. There he is. You're everywhere, man. You and I got to have a drink together at lunch, I think.
All right.
All right, there you go. This thing to me, tell me if I'm wrong. I mean, maybe it's because of my perspective, but I think this looks like a really swept out Mustang, like a 69. Doesn't it look like, it looks like a swept out 69 Mustang.
A body kit, basically.
Yeah, and well, they have a big body kit. Look, see, they got the scoop. They got the scoop there, which is similar to the 69, where they have the scoop. I mean, not that high, but it's got the same lines to me. I think that these guys are still imitating cars from the 60s in the 2019s. What is this called? What year? The 60s, 70s, 80s. What is this? This is the
2019 LFA.
Yeah, but I mean, how do you actually say 2019? I mean, when you think about it, like 80s, 90s, 2000s.
I think you have to go full 2019.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, somebody fill me in on that. But it's gorgeous. And again, guys, I'm trying to do as much Steadicam work as I can on these cars and show you what's going on. She's one bad mamma jamma. Look at these tailpipes on this Lexus. Look at those tailpipes. Isn't that cool? Absolutely gorgeous. Cars are cool. They're big toys. You know what I mean? We got big toys. Unfortunately, we're killing some.
We take the frustration out of the restoration.